In front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to click on Bluetooth section here and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show and click on the chosen one. In order to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing this gear icon next to the device, tapping on Forget, and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!